Those are the fucking things in the park. Fucking, I mean, come on. Come on now. Fucking having in the park. Fuck. Hold on. Can I have it in the park? I mean, it's in the park, but like, lock it? Fuck yeah. She's all engaged, motherfuckers. Hell yeah. That's how you know she's good. She's good to the bone, boy. She works and she's all intact and gauges. Yeah. Give her a quick smoke. Goddamn exhaust. What I'm gonna do is I love the sound of these V8s, right? It's a V8. It's a V8, folks, and dude, this thing's a beast. I mean, you know how I crap on this, man, but the sound of this, the sound on this thing sounds pretty good. You gotta, you know. Tell me, bro. Alright, let's sit this. And I'm out. Go. That's how you make Chevy Express roll call. All gauge intact. Now, here she is.